the good news is FranchiseSimplySystem, which is up and running, and some of the people that are already in the program have access to it. Quite a lot of the people in Franchise Simply are running Franchise Simply systems, and the best news is Brian's pre-purchased 3 months for everybody here of an account for you. So at the end of the seminar, one of the team will probably reach out to you and grab some details to set it up so you can have a little bit of a look around and see. And obviously if you become part of the program, Brian makes it as a part of the process he takes you through, because systems are the most important thing. You need to treat them with the respect that they need, being the most important asset, because that's really what you've got, which is saleable. So it was a bit of a shorter session. Just wanted to tell you a little bit about that. Like, this is the first time that we've really publicly talked about it. But we've got some really big plans to take Franchise Simply Systems to the global level, because we know it can help a lot of businesses. So that's that one. I'm not too sure if it warrants any questions or anything like that, but I think that might bring it to a close.
I just want to say that sounds exciting. It makes it very daunting. It sounds very exciting and makes a very daunting task look quite simple. Thank you.
Yes, and
that's what I thought.
You'll notice here, this is a screenshot inside. Brian and the team, and Rhonda and Prue, they've actually documented a lot of the documents are already in there. So then you're 80% of the way there. You hop in there, you customize it, you make it your own, and you're kind of already on your way. So it's not just the software, it's also all the templates and everything being preloaded, and with the team already trained on how to use it, we can kind of get everybody up to speed quite quickly.
When you're talking about, like, we can go and have a look, once the permissions are set up.
Yep.
Is it in particular with Franchise Simply, or we can give it a go, like, for our own organization to build systems and put it in there?
You build it for your business. Like Franchise Simply Systems, you tailor it for your business. So it's not, you get it co-branded in there, and we are talking about some other branding options, so that way you can have it completely branded through you. Whereas you'd probably have some little byline down the bottom powered by Franchise Simply Systems. But this is your account that you customize. It's not something that's owned or maintained by Franchise Simply Systems.
And within that you can put new systems in, like, let's say you came up with new situation and you want to build something, so they are step by step, okay, write the headline definition, do like whatever needs to be done.
Yeah. And we can even we'll see how we go, maybe during the break or something. I can even log you in and give you a little bit of a look at the software, just so you get a little bit of an idea. It's really easy to use.
This has led us to, and a discussion I had with a man earlier, it's something we've known for a long time. I talk to lots of people who'd love to franchise their business, but say, I'm not ready. They want the suit made before they put it on, almost. And I'm saying, no, we need to hear when you start tailoring, so we know what size the cuffs are and what your arm length is, and so on. So we're saying, we've got a new program we just introduced called the Franchise Ready program. So this is for people who are saying, I'm not quite ready. And that may be their own nervousness and whatever, it doesn't matter, but they can start doing this in their own business. And if they decide they're not going to franchise, or like Shannon who sold his business, it doesn't matter. They can carry on using it as a standalone product for any business that you can literally imagine. I think that's, that's absolutely the picture. So what we've built around that skeleton of this product now is a program to help you at different levels. So in the same way as the toolkit, the turbo boost and the boost in our franchise programs, we can do the same with your Franchise Ready program if it's something you want to do as a first step. And then if you want to franchise, you've already got a lot of the work done. It's going to make it a lot quicker to go through the rest of the process. So Dave, thank you for an incredible, I'm not going to stop you saying something, because your words are gold.
Well, the last thing I was going to mention is, and what I love about what Brian is doing is, regardless of whether or not you franchise or not, you should be building your business as though you were going to franchise. Like those ideas that Michael had said, which is you build a business with the purpose of selling it. And if you do that, you do it on the right foundations. So yeah, that's why we thought this program really is for anyone running a business.
Absolutely.